Alrighty, friendos. Once again, this is Laz. Welcome on back to the Fright Club, your one-stop shop for all things horror. And here is my biggest reveal yet. My biggest review for to finish off Action Figure Month. And it is the 1/6 figure of Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre by Sideshow. This one's going to be a little bit hard for me to film just because of the length of it and stuff. But I'll figure it out. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of the box. Now this one, much like the Batman figure from earlier in the month, I got this from a seller on Macari, where I do sell as well, and he gave me a hell of a deal, so I couldn't pass it up. There's that. I love this bit from Sideshow. I always think it's cool. All right, let's pack them up. Oh, let's try that again. Let's turn him around, and there he is, looking all sorts of dapper. Good old Leatherface. And the, as it says, in the killing mask. Now let's get this off there. There's that. Now let's get him out of his tray. There he is. And he looks hella good. Now let's get close up on the mask here. That's all the details on the mask. It's really neat. I love it. I love all the wrinkles and there's the cool details on it, like the stitching hanging out and such. I think that's really neat. Back to where I was. Shaw. And I don't know if you can see, just got a little bit of a belly. I like that you can see the veins on his wrist. And now let's see what good old Leatherface comes with. He comes with the hammer. That's really good at answering the doors when someone's someone's coming to your house, uninvited. And the chainsaw, which I don't know if you see there's blood all over the chainsaw. It's also in the chain itself. I love that. All right, and the neck casing. He comes with extra hands. Comes with 2 fists. Comes with 2 relaxed gripping hands. Comes with 2 just good old relaxed hands. He comes with the stand that has the embossing of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre logo. And he comes with a crotch grabber. And that is it. That is what Leatherface comes with. It's going to be another one. I'm going to really have fun posting them up, putting them up on my shelf. Alright, kids. That is all for today. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. If you did, and you're not already, hit subscribe. Spread the word. Until then, either way, catch you all in the Fright Zone. Later.